Let's discuss a problem so that you will get better understanding about distance and displacement. Now, I would like to discuss about a circular garden. So, before discussing about the circular garden, let us discuss about a circle first. For example, if this is a circle of radius r which has 4 stations A, B, C, D. If a person is moving from A to B, B to C, then C to D and D to A, if anyone is moving like this, we call this as a circumference of the circle. Now, what is the circumference of circle? It is already known that this is 2 pi r, means if you start from A and come back to A, this path length is equal to circumference, or we call it as perimeter, that is equal to 2 pi r. Now, let us see some problems. If a person is moving from A to B along the circular path, what is his distance and what is his displacement? So, his distance will be 1/4 of the circumference. Distance will be 1/4 of the circumference, means it is 2 pi r by 4, means pi r by 2. Next, what is his displacement? Shortest path between A and B, means this is the shortest path, straight line. So, it looks like a right angle triangle. If these are, this will be obviously root over 2r. That's why the circumference will be, the displacement will be root 2r. Now, if the same person is moving from A to B to C like the circular path, this is half of the circular path and the distance is the path length, which is half of that, that is 2 pi r by 2, means pi r. What about the displacement? Shortest path connecting the initial and final point, means this is, which is equal to r plus r, that is 2r. Next, third problem. If he is moving from A to B, next B to C and C to D, means he came like this, means 3 parts of the circle, means one part is equal to how much? Pi r by 2. It is 3 parts, that is why it is 3 times pi r by 2. Next, what about the displacement? Initial point is A, final point is D. So, the path connecting A and D, this is the shortest path, straight line. It looks like a right angle triangle. This is side 1, this is side 2, and this is hypotenuse, which is equal to r square plus r square, that is root over 2r. We can write it like root over 2r. Next, fourth problem. The person or the gardener is moving from A to B, then moving from B to C and C to D, and he is coming back to the initial point A, means he completed one circle. If he completes one circle, what is his distance? Nothing but circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Next, what is his displacement? Initial point is A, final point is A. So, the displacement is the shortest path between 2 points A and A, that is why it is 0, means displacement can be 0 also. From all the figures you can find that displacement is, in this case displacement is always less than the distance. In some cases displacement can be equal to distance, we can discuss them later. Now, let us look at the next problem.